Hi, I'm David from Neuroflash, and today I'm going to show you how to write a good briefing to get optimal results with our magic pen. First of all, the question, what role does the briefing play in the output you receive from Neuroflash? In short, a very essential one, because the better the brief, the better the quality, and the better the generated text fits your needs. The Magic Pen generates all text suggestions completely based on your brief, so it tries to understand what you want from it based on your entered description and keywords. So the better and more precisely you explain to Neuroflash what you want to write about, the better it can adapt to your individual wishes and the better the new text written will be. To understand this, you need to understand that Neuroflash writes text based on probability. If I start a text with good, Neuroflash calculates the probability of which word will come next based on its collected data. In this case, Neuroflash will follow with a high probability the words morning, evening, or for example, quality. The software does this with all the words that follow, eventually generating complete sentences based on your brief. To write a perfect brief, you should first ask yourself the following questions. What makes your product special? What are the features or values you want to address? Who is it intended for? What is your target audience? What is important information that should definitely be included in the AI text? You summarize the answers to these questions in a short text. This one can be up to 600 characters long. Usually 2 complete sentences are sufficient, as long as the most important information is mentioned. Pay attention to the correct language. If you want French output, the briefing should also be formulated in French. If you want English output, formulate your briefing accordingly in English. Formulate your text clearly and simply, so that it is easy to understand. In addition, be as specific as you can. Sustainably produced is good, but we only use recycled plastic is better. Make the context clear. A woman's sneaker should be called a sneaker for women, and not simply a shoe. Avoid repeating information, for example, describing the product as pretty and beautiful, as both terms are the same thing to the AI, and you just spent characters. Depending on the text type, for example, Google Ad titles, you also have the option to add keywords. Separate them with a comma. Use these possibilities to further improve the output and to integrate your relevant keywords into it. If you want certain information to appear in the output, for example, the year your company was founded, you will also need to integrate this into the brief. And as a small tip, depending on the type of text, you can often use product descriptions or text from your company website to make your work easier. Make sure you edit out irrelevant information and add information that is important for the product and/or your target group. Let's put what we've learned into practice. Let's imagine we want to create a Google Ads description for Neuroflash. So first we ask ourselves our questions. What makes our product special and what values do I want to address? AI copywriting, quickly and intuitively create high-quality marketing copy. What is our target audience? For marketers and copywriters. What is important information? Over 90 different types of copy, both short and long format copy. In addition, we add a few keywords separated by commas. For example, AI, marketing, and creativity. And there we go, we have an optimal brief that gives us excellent results. So now you know how to write a good brief. With this knowledge, you can now take full advantage of Neuroflash. Create any long format text in seconds in a flexible way like the pros. Try it out now and let the magic pen surprise you.